Hi everyone, my name is Rebecca Johnston and I'm a mixed media artist who recently took the exciting yet terrifying leap into becoming a freelance artist and business owner. I also have a background in design and education, having worked as a college art instructor, and now I'm expanding my YouTube channel to share art courses, demonstrations, and all my tips with you to help you along your creative journey. If you're passionate about art like I am, or just looking for inspiration, you're in the right place. I'd love for you to join me as I grow this channel, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see the latest content. Now let's dive into today's video where I share my 5 tips for beginning artists. These are tips that helped me along my journey, and I feel like they're very helpful for artists no matter where you are in your journey. So let's get started.
Tip number 1, practice consistently. First up, practice consistently. Art is like any skill. You get better with time and effort. Set aside about 15 to 30 minutes a day to sketch, experiment, or work on your craft. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be consistent. Keep a sketchbook handy and have fun with it. Remember, every line you draw adds to your growth. Tip number 2, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are your best teacher, seriously. It's easy to compare yourself to others and feel like you need to get everything perfect. But here's the thing, mistakes are how you learn and what works and what doesn't. Embrace the mess, try new things, and take risks. Some of your best ideas might come from what you thought was a mistake, so trust the process. Tip number 3, explore different mediums and styles. Experimentation is key. Don't box yourself into one style or medium right away. Try pencils, paint, or even digital art or sculpture. Exploring helps you discover what truly excites you and keeps your creativity flowing. Plus, the skills you gain in one medium can often transfer to another. So go ahead, explore, get messy, and play. Tip number 4, start building connections and opportunities early. Art doesn't have to be a lonely journey. Share your work on social media, join local art groups, or attend workshops and markets. These connections can inspire you and even lead to opportunities like collaborations or commissions. Don't be shy. Your voice matters in the art world, and sharing your journey can open doors you didn't even know were there. And tip number 5, celebrate your progress. It's easy to get caught up in what's next, comparing yourself to others who maybe have far more progress than you, but don't forget to appreciate how far you've come. Compare your latest piece to something you made 6 months ago, and trust me, you will see the growth. Progress, no matter how small, is worth celebrating, so give yourself credit for showing up and creating.
All right, those are my 5 tips for beginning artists. Remember to practice consistently, embrace those lovely mistakes, explore new mediums, build connections, and most importantly, celebrate your progress. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. And if you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more art content and inspiration, and let me know in the comments which tips resonated with you most or any content you'd love me to cover in the future. Thank you so much for watching and happy creating. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.